Hello everybody and welcome to the Grange Head Teacher video assembly for the 30th of November 2020. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher. You know what we're aiming for at Grange. We want everybody to have a caring attitude. We really want to be trying our best. We want everybody to be learning and always learning, especially from mistakes. We want to be about improvement and progress. We want to use our education to help us to make good choices in our lives, and we want to never be giving up. So we are always talking about strength, so true strength. How can we continuously become stronger so that we're living our best life, the best life that each of us can live? So we know that there are two types of strength. There's physical strength and there's character strength. We know that physical strength, well, it helps us to overcome any physical challenge. So you need to move something and you need some physical strength to do that. Fine, that's physical strength. But character strength, well, it helps you to overcome any challenge and it helps you solve any problem that you face. So what we are saying is that ultimately what is really important is character strength. And that's because it helps you to solve problems. And essentially, the question that you should ask whenever you face any problem is, which character strength am I going to use? And we are studying about that really systematically. So we know that there are things called virtues, and virtues means good things. And each of the virtues have more detailed strengths that are related to each of them. So the good things, the virtues that we've learned so far, well, we've learned 4 of the 6. We've learned wisdom, which is like deep thinking, way beyond intelligence. We've learned courage, which we're going to speak more about today, which is living without fear, beyond fear. We've learned about transcendence, which is living in a way that really allows you to move to a higher level, to the next level. And we've learned temperance, how to find balance in our life, not to go too high, not to go too low, not to go too hot, not to go too cold, just balance, temperance. So those are the virtues we've learned so far. We have another 2 coming. Now, today I want to focus on the virtue of courage. So courage is a good thing, we've said. And what the courage is all about is living beyond fear. So you don't let fear stop you. And what we've learned is a character strength inside the virtue of courage, inside the good thing called courage, and that's bravery. And we've said sometimes you're really scared to start something or to do something, or to start doing something, because you're worried. What if I make a mistake? What if I fail? What if I look silly? And you just don't want to have a go. You're just too scared to have a go. And what we've said is you can use the character strength of bravery and say to yourself, I am going to be brave. And even though I might make a mistake, even though it might feel a little bit silly, but I know this is a good thing to do, so I am going to have a go. And that's called bravery. Today, we're introducing another character strength in the virtue of courage, and that is honesty. And the thing about honesty, what happens if you have a go? You actually have a go, but then you make a mistake and you realize I've made a mistake. What happens if you have a go and you realize that no one thinks like you? What happens if you realize you're a little bit alone and you're not that popular? Well, the character strength of honesty is going to be the strength that will help you to believe in yourself and help you to take responsibility for your actions and decisions and get through anything. Even if you make a mistake, you can actually turn that mistake into an amazing opportunity for learning. And that's if you use the character strength of honesty. If you say honestly, that was a mistake, then you can start saying, right, what can I learn from it? If you're honest with yourself and you say, this is who I am, this is what I think, then you can start living your life in a way that is true to yourself. And then other people will have to respect you and accept you for who you are. And your friends will be true friends, and your life will be an authentic life that you can really, really enjoy. Back in the summer holidays, the governors of Grange gave me one of the best gifts I've ever got, certainly from governors. It was an amazing book that is called The Boy, the Mole, the Fox and the Horse. Beautiful book by Charlie Makesy. And if you get a chance to get hold of that book or to read it, I highly recommend it. And inside that book, at one point, the boy asks the mole, what do you think is the biggest waste of time? And I think if you can just pause the video over here and just remember that we're talking about honesty, the character strength of honesty. Well, what do you think is the biggest waste of time? Have a bit of a discussion, pause the video and think, what would your answer be? What is the biggest waste of time? Right, here's the mole's answer. Comparing yourselves to others, said the mole. And in this book is all about that, is realizing who you are and not worrying about other people. I mean, often people can sit on the side, they can laugh, they can mock, they can snigger, they can take the mickey, they think they're so cool because somebody else is maybe, they're embarrassed that that person actually is confident and is who they are. But the point is, if you stop worrying about what other people think, and if you believe in yourself, then, as it says in the book, being honest is always interesting. So I'm going to say, use the character strength of honesty. Be true to yourself. Be yourself. Don't worry what other people think. Just respect yourself. Respect your own opinions. When you've made a mistake, be honest with yourself. Say, I made a mistake. Learn from it and grow from it. And do your best. Remember, character strength is about patience. It's about living your best life. So being honest with yourself is an amazingly powerful thing to do. And every time you have a bit of a problem and you're not sure, I made a mistake, what should I do? Use the character strength of honesty. 3 powerful honesty actions. Pause when something happens. Don't automatically think, oh yeah, I better get out of this. Pause, stop, think. Don't be distracted by what other people think. Think what is truly the best thing for me to do right now. And then own your decision. If it's a mistake, say, right, it's a mistake. I will be honest, I'll learn from it, and I will grow from it. We have the Grange CC way. I want each of you to feel confident in who you are. Don't worry about what other people think. And I want you to be considerate and care about other people. Not what they think, but truly about who they are and helping them to be the best people that they can be, helping the world to be the best place that it can be. So that's our philosophy for life at Grange. Right, stars of the week. We've had loads of golds. It's fantastic. Diana, Haida, Patrick, Zikrea, Amrit, Zara, Bavita, Michelle, Ayana, Sana H, brilliant guys, Yamundi, Serena, Alicia, Maruna, Jody, Shiley, Adam, Lala, Faris. You've all been brilliant role models and leaders. Nora, Ryan, Ali G, Dua, Yusuf ES, Nemo, Wasim, Abdullah D, Ayat, Amos, Cosmina, Dikshan, and Divian. Really proud of all of you. Brilliant. Grange House of Water, 3,221 points this last week. Amazing. Safana, Pirahatis, Wissam, Pharrell, Agash, Mustafa M, Mahdi, Amira, Abdullah A, Sakina, Kauthar, Oliver, Aliyah Q, Delia, Nora, Furkan, brilliant work. So many points. Aryan just started at the school last week, first week, brilliant start. Subera, Stacy, Grace, Ikram, Parisa, Zara, Martina, also new at the school, well done. Ayat, Maruna, brilliant. Blinart, Aliyah, NQ, brilliant. And Bavita, Cosmina, Ayana, Diana, Shiley, Devesh, fantastic. Ilya, Mariama, Zara Q, and Anna O. Brilliant, brilliant work in the House of Water. Well done for who you are. Grange House of Fire got 2,783 points. Rashil, Ryan, Cole, Bashir, Elias, Isaac, Farhad, Shana, Soraya, Vishwash, Harun, Dana, Danya, Aliyah, Jalsa, Angela, Hewad, and Patrick. Brilliant work. And Murthika, Ansar, Simon, Elfie, Princess, Amos, I'm proud of all of you. Serena, brilliant 52. Hader, 59. Eric, 61. Medina, 63. Yomindi, wonderful 65, and Vinaya 71. Brilliant House of Fire. In Grange House of Air, 2,912 points. And we have Mohammed A, Nicoletta, Amrit, Sana S, Adil, Mora, Shravan, Krasian, Diraj, Mehdi, Blessing, Ajay, Bianca, Dua, Shema, Mohammed S, Yusufi S, Kiana, Jackie, Sarah AR, Imran, Mustafa O, Dana, Abdullah, Jaden, Ibra, Reza, Mario, Masood, Nur, and Bashir was 64, and Farah 64, Arzu 66, Sabrine 71, Dara a wonderful 80. Well done, Dara, as well. Particularly proud of you. You've had a difficult week and you've done so well. Grange House of Earth with a whopping 3,300 points. Absolutely brilliant. Zohaib, Aisha, Aitan, Evelina, Hedron, Selena, Alina. Sorry about that, Lena. Ali G, Lion, Maha, Sina, Zikrea, Eamon, Jabril, Stefania, Danusha, Nemo, Jewel, and Max. Asia, Sumaya, Ibrahim, Wasim, Sarwa, Shaista, Adam, Divyan, Jamal, Dikshan, Michelle, Jody, Sana H, Lala, and Alicia, and Tebarek with a wonderful 82, Ayub 85, Anastasia 86, Race with a wonderful 112, Anushanth, brilliant 115, Habiz 127, incredible. So the whole Grange community, 12,216 points, which is brilliant. And my classy classes, right. So Tubman class, fantastic. I think probably the class most times broken the 1,000-point barrier. Fantastic to see you back up there, Tubman class. Churchill class, you've had the last few weeks have been amazing with you. And I know you really want to get back to being a brilliant, well-behaved, great learning community class. So keep it up, Churchill class. You are making loads of progress. Learn from your mistakes, grow from your mistakes. And there's so much that is just good about you, Churchill class. But our classy class of the week, Luther King class, 1,584 points. And I've got to actually say that I think this is the only time that we've had 3 classes break 1,000 points in one phase in a week. So brilliant work. So our autumn 1 total was 47,561. Our goal was 50,000 for this half term. Our running total is 44,270 points. We are less than 6,000 points from earning the reindeer. Freddie came last half term, and there are real live reindeer coming this half term due to the incredible performance of the Grange pupils. So be great, be Grange. Live your lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.